How to make churros on skewers. Are you ready? First, take an empty pan and put on your stove. Add a cup of water and a half cup of butter. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Let the mixture come to a boil. Then, add a cup of all-purpose flour. Mix till it forms a soft, gooey dough. Take the pan out of the stove and add 1 big egg. Mix the egg using a wooden spatula. Then, put the mixture into a piping bag and make sure to use a big open stop tip nozzle. Take a fry pan and heat some oil. Fry the churros till they are light golden in color. Coat the churros with sugar and cinnamon powder. Put them into the skewers. And finally, drizzle chocolate ganache on top, which I made by simply melting chocolate and condensed milk in microwave. There you go, the easiest recipe to make delicious churros on skewers. Enjoy!